In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit the checkout page. Head to your online stores or alternatively from home, customize theme, click customize theme. After doing this, click on customize, making sure that you select the right theme. After clicking on customize, I'm going to be prompted with this page. In this page, if I look at the center top screen, I'm gonna find the following. Here, I'm going to find the checkout page. As you can see, here's the checkout page. Right here, I will be able to add and remove stuff. You see, the checkout page doesn't have any sections, so I'll need to open the checkout settings. And yeah, that's basically it. If I made any changes, make sure to save by using the top right corner save right here. And you can even, as I said, open the checkout pages settings so you can have some stuff. To do that, all you have to do is exit from here, go back, select search for checkout. Right here, as you can see, here is the checkout pages. Right here, you're going to customize it, but without doing anything. Basically, you can choose the customer account, do not use accounts. Accounts are optional or accounts are required. Contact, customer method, phone number or email, or just email. You can see you can even require or remove the full name, company name, address line, shipping line, and for example, tipping. You can even add all of those. Consent for marketing. You can either ask them or you can pre-select this option, and SMS marketing, for example. You guys basically get the idea. After this, make sure to save on the top right corner and then you'll be good to go. That's basically it, and goodbye.